Hey everyone, it's time for the new stockings from the Gambett box and for the new man boxer short from On That Ass. Let's go! We will start with the stockings as usual. I rarely notice, but on the package in the beginning there is this line where you can just open it very nicely. Oh my. I think that's what I think. Okay, oh my. It's the bag. I think we received the bag exactly 1 year ago. March 2020 we got the bag. And this is my new shopping bag. Guys, do you love it? I love it. It's beautiful. I love to have a new shopping bag. It's quite big, spacey. The pattern is cool. The colors are juicy. It's Gambett Box Paris from Beya Rabai. Okay, let's make sure that I pronounce it good. From Beya Rabai, this one. Very happy with the bag. But now back to the topic of the box. It's for stockings. We have 2 pairs of stockings. First one is for 30 Dan. Hold the pose. Let's see what's the pattern. I see that it's plain black. Sturdy black tights. The second pair is Paint Me. These one are a bit thicker, 40 Dan. It's flowery pattern black tights. The pattern is beautiful. I love the pattern. It would be for some very special occasion. That was it about stockings. Let's come to the second, maybe the most exciting part for you. It's the man boxer short On That Ass. This month topic is Fury. So we have some very angry skeleton on the package. We have a small label. It says "Ride with me, baby." I think it's a motor cap. And this is boxer short. This is it. I think it's the first time that I see that the label on the top On That Ass is kind of crossed with a yellow line. The color is pretty blue. It's nice blue color. Some motorbike, some skeletons, some tiger. The color's pretty, but what I've noticed with On That Ass boxer shorts is that after a few times washing them at 30 degrees at the washing machine, they just lose their color almost totally. And this color is pretty beautiful, but I can already see it fade away and being gray bluish. I think this month boxer short is so much better than the previous ones, and I'm quite satisfied. What about you? What do you think? Do you like it? Would you wear it? Let me know. And for now, have a good day or night.